I'm Legionnaire. Today we'll be playing Don't Press the Button. I actually played this a lot of times, but yeah, I actually like this game so far. But on this one, you better give me a comment section. Which game should I play? You should tell me in the comment section below. If you're excited for this, please please subscribe and like. And let me pick this one and power it up. What is this guy doing? Keep it there, thank you. Ducky, ducky, duck, duck. Ducky, ducky, duck. I hate these ducks. Are you kidding me? When I just said ducky, ducky, duck, duck, this duck just is now falling from the sky. Oh no! No! Oh my god! Jump! No, jump! Yes! Oh, save that one! What? I'm gonna have to kill these bunch of ducks. I hate that. Ducks. Up. See, you already won? I want to kill her ducklings. Oh no, it already started. This game is actually broken. For real. I made 2 full. Let's see if we can do this. Too easy. Plug. Plug. Hey. I'm fast. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Let me try placing it under the tree. It's actually working. And I don't know how is it sticking in the main tree. These arguments should be mine. And onto the top. Yeah, baby. What's this? Oh,
I like dancing. I like trains.
Yep. If you hear that, then you have to move. Find the keys. Oh, that's my worst. Oh man. Come on. What? Okay. Collect the log. I like this music. It's almost like Dora the Explorer, but a little weird. And how could logs be inside these bushes? I like this. I like saying bushes. They're my favorite name. You only have 1 minute. Did you just see that man fall? Wait, did you play that in slow motion? That's so weird. Okay. Everyone get some logs, man. Okay. Okay. You keep. No, you keep it, man. Keep it. Keep it. Keep it. Okay. Keep it on. Run away. The adventure continues. Get right. Oh no! One of my most. Oh no! Oh my god, that was so close. No! I want to kill coldly. Oh, why is this Plants vs. Zombies background music again? Underwasted me, okay. I jumped too early. Oh my god, why this again? Wish I could play Rec Room. I like Rec Room. You know what? Actually, Rec Room is one of my favorite games. However, there is no sponsor for this one, and I don't own merch. This is gonna be like a hard time. Like, oh my god! The building is burning! Everyone follow me, I know where the way is. Go! Go! Oh, it's burning! Come! Guys, come! Ah, hot! Go! Go, come! Go, dude! Dude, come! He just died! Now I'm burning! Oh no, you little... Is this Sonic the Hedgehog? I don't know. What? Why? This? Oh no, you don't. I was checking if something was better in the settings, but there was. Oh wait, no. I can't see the moon up there, down there, and sun right up there. Is it just gonna be like just huh? A cauldron? What happened to be going? You dick! Oh, she's what? I have a big brain, boys. I have a big brain. Viewers, I just want to tell you something. If you have a big brain, then you should do this. What's going on? Oh, raining Doge. I'm gonna have to kick you off. Doge, get out of here. Oh, speedrun. Go! Come on, man. Is it like from Sonic the Hedgehog? Almost sounds like it. I'm speed running. Speed run, speed run, speed run. Can I make it? Can I make it? Oh, I just make it. I made it. You better subscribe. If I win, you have to subscribe and like at the same time. Like I'm just not like twins or something. You know what? Let's just kill these tiles. Where are these guys? Oh, did they disconnect? Maybe. And we win. That was easy. Kinda. Come on. Okay. Someone is the seeker. Like, this is a maze. But mixed with hide and seek. I think. Oh, dead end. Not that way. I think if I see a glowing thing, it might be the seeker, maybe. I hope not. Not. I'm scared of jump scares. Actually, in my last video, I played Nope. No. You're so fast. I want to kill you. Really, man? I'm gonna have to kill that girl. For real. Oh my god, I can't. I wanna kill her. There it is. Interact. Does it see me? It sees me. Look at that little girl holding that. We're online. Okay, we're gonna have to defend. No, you don't. Okay, good. No, you don't. No, you don't. That's the hammer. Ow. How are ninja moves that even that fast? No. Oh. We must defend the statue from you. No. You shall not pass. No. Not even a single damage. That's super easy. Let's see what's next. Wait. Oh, there it is. Jump. That is what happens if you don't get on the platform. Follow me, guys. Follow me. Through here. Go. Guys, come. Go. Megan, come. You're lost. Go. Jump. They died. Go. Go. Whew, that was a close one. Okay. Get out of my face. Okay. Wait, that's the lava? So that is what happens if you touch the lava. Why are they recreated from Super Mario 64? Nope. Dead. They're getting a little faster than I thought. Oh gee. No. Find the correct path. Easy. Come on. Is this one? Oh man. No. Yeah. Oh, this is easy. This is my favorite. I like Santa Claus. Hey, Christmas. Is this 2023 special? I don't know. Guys, what game do you think I will play? Comment down below. Cause this is one of my favorite games. And I'm not even one single gift dropped. More like suck out. Like this. Easy peasy. Not even one's doing great. Everyone's just doing, What if I just do this? Is it gonna work? Is it? No one's even knowing. What the heck? It's working. This is actually working, guys. Okay, if this happens, then if you are in the starting point, you have to find this spot. So far, there's 3 survivors. Yeah! Easiest spot. Oh, not this thing again. If I die, the video ends. If I die once. Ooh, that was so close. If I win, you have to like and subscribe. If I win, you have to like and subscribe. Oh, close. Everyone is just dying. You know what? I'm not even doing that sound if I die. But if I win, you have to like and subscribe and comment. if you just reset yourself, you will be sent over there. What did I say? Like and subscribe now. Alright. Oh, yeah. Oh, easy. Why are you dancing over there? Whoa. Now you're in a single spot. This is gonna be like easiest one. Are they getting faster? Hope not. Oh, they're getting faster. Oh, I saw so close. Okay, if I die here, then the video ends. Bones. Okay. So I think after this event I'll just gonna stop right here. Because this has to. Why is Zombies not even approaching? Oh. Die! Stupid. Alright. 25 skeletons. Okay. Now we got a jump potion. Okay, I guess I don't need this. Okay, don't move. Can I move around? I can move around. You can look around but not move. Is this like... Oh, right. That was cool. Cross the road. And with this jump potion, I can do this. Up. Okay. And up. Yeah! Anyways, guys, today, that was don't press the button. I'm gonna stop here now. Like and subscribe and comment which game you want to prefer. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. And I'll see you all in the next video. Ciao.